Mystery Tackle Box Day.
What is up, guys? We are back with another unboxing. This time it is the Mystery Tackle Box Pro. So we've got a sealed box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Nope. First we have the what's inside the box. So let's get to it. Okay, so first on what's inside the box is the I'm a Little Stick. So it's a nice top water popper. It's kind of like a trout color. Is the American shad color. So nice holographic look to it there. The feather. So we will definitely be trying this out. Nice topwater lure. Got a rattle to it. Alright, next up we have the Perfection Lures football jig. Alright. It's a nice football stand-up jig. Now I like these. I think we got one of these last time, but it was for a stick worm. So I think they're doing the jig now with this one. Let's see if we can open it up. Alright. So this is the half-ounce green pumpkin delicious. So the cool thing about these is it's got these little wire stands. Kind of see that there. So it's always going to stand up when it hits the ground. You just kind of pop it and it's going to stand up. So that was the Perfection Lures football jig. So that retails for $5.99. The I'm a Little Stick, that one was going for $10.99. Next up is the Ketchco Waggle Worm. Looks like a nice stick bait there. And what color do we have? Doesn't actually say the color on there, but it's like a pink, kind of purplish glitter color. That one's retailing for $4.29. And next up we have a Ketchco Flickety Split. So it looks like a wacky rig jig head there. See if we can get that in camera. So use those with the stick baits. So you can do a wacky rig with it. Okay, after that we have the Strike Pro Inquisitor. Okay. It's a nice jerk bait there. And it says a depth of 2.6 to 3.9 feet and it's suspending. This one's going for $9.48. So cool color, green back there with the silver bottom. Nice rattle. Okay, after that we have the Z-Man Custom Chatterbait. So, love throwing chatterbaits. Always use these. That was the Z-Man. That one's going for $4.99. So it's a purple and black chatterbait. So that'll be good for murky water. Especially now with all the pre-spawn and fish starting to get into the spawn. So we'll give that a try next time we go out fishing. Next up we have the Cream Lures Reel Screamer. And that is a swim bait. That one's going for $3.60. So it's a nice black and purple, the paddle tail on there. Kind of a cool color. Alright, and last but not least is the D Fishing Soap Pocket Pack. So, anytime you're needing to wash your hands, you got the little pack there. Alright, and then that's going to do it for the Mystery Tackle Box Pro for May. And then I also always include a sticker. Kind of a cool sticker there. I like throwing those on my tackle trays. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned, I'll always get some more footage up.